Well, here we are in the kitchen of the world famous chef Chalito, and he will be making a comparison in the quality and taste of eggs found at HEB. They're premium eggs, high priced eggs, with the homegrown ranch eggs that are grown by two chicken farmer sisters who are Bettina and Bethany. So let's go ahead and get in going on with the show. No, Letty, this is not about you. This is about Bettina and Bethany and HEB. Okay? HEB egg. Huh, look, it don't look that good. Well, wow, look at that egg. That's a burnt orange egg. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. That comes from the chicken farm of Bethany and Bettina, and they raise a lot of chickens. And you know what? They have beautiful eggs because they love their chickens and they give them a lot of love. We'll just see how good they taste, though, because that's the real test. We're going to compare that with the HEB premium egg. So just stay tuned. Okay, here's the real test. I put a little bit of my Leti hot pepper on both, and then I sample. This is HEB. Well, it's okay. You know, Chalito's a good cook, so it comes out good. And now, Bettina and Bethany's. The burnt orange color just amazes me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Absolutely delicious. Best egg I've ever had in my life. Wow.